You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
All right, guys. First of all, I want to thank All American Water for sponsoring this episode. If you guys didn't know about them, I've been talking about them when I first moved to Tennessee. They're the ones that prevented my kidney stones by filtering my water in all my house. And I've been with them ever since. So thank you for being a sponsor of today's episode. Okay, guys. So two things that go together is Parmesan and chicken. And we're doing that today. So come on in close. I'll show you all the ingredients. And I can pretty much eat all this. So I'm pretty excited. Let's do the rundown. The recipe asks for chicken breasts. I'm doing 4 thighs. 2 chicken breasts is kind of equivalent to 4 chicken thighs. Boneless if you can get it. I got bone in because I kind of prefer buying my meat with the bones still attached. You got heavy whipping cream. Is this what, minced garlic? Yeah. Minced garlic, ranch dressing, chicken broth, Parmesan, egg. I may use 2 eggs. If so, I'll add another, and butter. Okay, guys, first thing you do is I got 2 eggs. That's what we're going to dip our chicken in and coat. Scramble those up real quick. We got our Parmesan cheese. Going to take some ranch seasoning, pour in the mixture. Just enough to flavor it. Let's take a look and then mix that in. All right, guys, if you're doing like me and you are doing thighs, you can just slice the bone out right there. Just cut along each side and then pull the bone right out. But I'm leaving the bone in. Okay? So what I'm going to do is start with my egg mixture. Get my chicken fully coated. I'm going to show you how to do one. You can do the same on all the rest. Okay? Then I'm going to cover this. And take a little bit and pat it on. Sometimes most of it falls off. Okay. And then you're going to do that with each and every one of the 4 pieces in the recipe, or the 2 breasts. And this is what it should look like. Go ahead and place this in an oven at 425 and go by temperature. When it reaches 165, the chicken is fully cooked. So probably about a half hour, maybe a little longer, but could be sooner because your oven could be hotter. So let's put it in right now. So first we're going to throw the butter in because that tells us when the pot is warm enough. Let that go. Once that gets all melted or you see it start to melt, then add everything else in. You can swirl it around too if you want. Recipes down below. Do your heavy whipping cream. Got a little chicken broth. Minced garlic. And just to add to the flavor, little Parmesan. All right, guys, just came out of the oven. It's about 168. We're now going to top it with this cheese gravy we made. And this is still hot, so be careful. But basically, it looks loose, but let it cool, and the cheese inside will thicken the sauce. I'll put a little bit more. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Dip it a little bit in the gravy or the cheese sauce. Test it real quick. Don't want to burn myself. Mmm. We normally get this at Longhorn's restaurant called Parmesan crusted chicken. This takes very close to it. This is really good. And we made it at home. Skin on, skin off, whatever you want to do. Try it out. Very delicious. Very good. I'm very pleased. So have fun with this, all right? I love you guys. Once again, All American Water, thank you for being a sponsor. I'll see you on the next episode.